Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Trina. This is Decorating Made Easy. On this channel I share everything home decor related, including some home organization, some cleaning videos, some cook with me videos, and just simply decorating and having fun. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please consider subscribing and clicking your notification bell so that you'll know every time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. I appreciate all y'all love and support, and I thank y'all for hanging out with me. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm gonna be another cleaning video, but I'm gonna clean my bathroom. Okay, you guys, so this is kind of an overview of my bathroom, how it looks now. It's not really that bad, because the kids been kind of helping keeping up with it and everything. So, but I'm just gonna go in and kind of clean it up, give it a little refresh, and like I said, check out my towels and everything and wash that and get that stuff started for the try to get some clean linen and everything in here for the beginning of the week. So let's get started. I'm going to show y'all some of the cleaning products that I'm going to be using on my bathroom today. I'm going to start by cleaning my tub and my shower area with this this tub and towel cleaner by Mrs. Myers. This is my first time using it, so I'm going to see how it works. Hopefully it works great. If not, then I won't be buying it again, but we'll see how that turns out. That'll be a new product for me. Then I'm also going to be using my Mrs. Myers multi-surface cleaner. Y'all can't see it because the lighting in there, I'm sorry. But this is in the Iowa Pine Scent. This smells so good. And I just love it. It just make your house smell like fresh cut pine. So I really like this. So I'm just going to be using this on my sink area and all of that. Okay. Then just got some Windex that I'm going to be using for my mirror. And then I'm going to try this Barkeeper's Friend, just kind of like on the chrome pieces in here, and try to get that really clean. It seemed to work pretty well, so I'm just going to use that. And then I got my duster to kind of dust my shelves off and everything, and then some microfiber washcloths. All right, so let's get started. my vacuum cleaner or whatever. Not vacuum cleaner, but my steam mop. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like steam mop my floor and everything, get that clean. I like to at least try to go in and steam mop at least a couple of times a week. Heavy traffic air, because it still cleans all the bacteria and everything, and it just kind of makes sure it disinfects the towel. Clean it all up. So now I'm just gonna put everything back. So the bathroom is pretty much, let me turn the camera this way. So the bathroom is pretty much clean, got everything washed down and disinfected and all that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back like it was. Well, mainly put my towels back and put my little setup back here like I had it before. Okay, you guys, so I got my little tiered stand kind of set up how I had it before. I just kind of went in and put some these lilies I had there before, just kind of set that in there. I got those from Home Goods. I got my hand lotion there. Then I got some extra washcloths and towels, and then I have some extra tissue down at the bottom. So, okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch out my towels. I just want to show y'all real quick. These towels right here I got from Home Goods, and then it's a 6-piece set. So you get the two large bath towels, you get 2 face cloths, and then you get 2 washcloths. And I think this set was $19.99. Let me see. Yeah, it was. You see that? It was $19.99 at Home Goods. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch out my towel. Okay, you guys, so I have my bathroom all cleaned and everything, and it turned out so good. So I got everything cleaned out, disinfected. I changed out all of my towels. I think these are so cute, and they're actually pretty good quality. So I got those at Home Goods, like I told y'all earlier. So I put those in there. Here's my little setup there, and here's my new towels that I added in. I took the old ones down. I'm gonna wash them and everything, and pretty much clean. I did go ahead and add some new, some clean bath mats in there. I took the other ones out, and I added some clean bath mats in there. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my Clean With Me, my bathroom edition. I hope it gives you some inspiration and some motivation to get some areas cleaned in your own home. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you'll know every time I upload a new video. It was nice hanging out with you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.